Before bed, I rub this on my feet, and that's exactly why I get better results than after any pedicure appointment. Grab a bowl and add half a cup of Epsom salt. It's great for relaxing, helps ease that tired feeling, and softens the skin. Pour in about 1.5 liters of water, preferably hot. Mix everything well and let it cool slightly. Now take a bowl, ideally a plastic one. Get some bentonite clay. It helps draw impurities out of the skin, cleans deeply, and leaves your feet smooth even after the first use. Add 2 tablespoons of clay to the bowl. Next, grab apple cider vinegar. It helps refresh your feet and reduces unpleasant odor. It also softens the skin and improves the way it looks. Add 1 tablespoon and mix everything into a thick paste. If it's too thick, add a little more vinegar. The texture should be fairly firm. Now apply the mixture to your feet like a mask and leave it on for about 10 minutes so it can start working. Then soak your feet in the prepared Epsom salt bath and keep them there for about 20 minutes. This is the perfect at-home detox mask for your feet. Your skin will feel noticeably smoother, softer, and cleaner, and your feet will truly thank you with a better look and a lighter feeling. Combine Vaseline with garlic. My grandfather always did this before a date with my grandmother. Prepare 1 peeled head of garlic. Crush it with a knife, then chop it very finely. This is important because that is when the garlic starts to oxidize and release its most valuable properties. Put the chopped garlic into a blender and blend until smooth. Transfer the garlic onto gauze and squeeze it thoroughly to extract all the juice. Now take the Vaseline. Add half a teaspoon to the garlic juice and mix gently. Next, add coconut oil. Mix everything until you get a smooth consistency. Apply the mixture to clean feet and massage it in well. Place gauze over your feet, wrap them up, and put on socks. Leave it on for 40 minutes. After that, pour warm water into a bowl. Add about 3 fluid ounces of vinegar and about 1 ounce of sea salt. Remove the socks and soak your feet in the bath. Keep them submerged for 20 minutes, then dry them thoroughly. Repeat this treatment twice a month. Your feet will become free from fungus and excessive sweating. Garlic has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties, while Vaseline and coconut oil create a protective barrier that allows the ingredients to work longer and more effectively. Natural collagen that will surprise you. Since my grandmother started using it, her wrinkles have literally disappeared. Her skin is now silky smooth. No expensive cosmetics can replace this. Start with Parsley. It has properties you've probably never heard of. It contains vitamin C, brightens dark spots, and stimulates the natural production of collagen. Wash a bunch of fresh parsley thoroughly. Add some baking soda and pour in water. Cut off the thick stems and chop the leaves into smaller pieces. Place everything in a pan and add about 500 milliliters of water. Cook on low heat until the water darkens. Blend everything in a tall container until you get a smooth paste. Strain it through a sieve and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cook on low heat until it forms a creamy consistency. Add a few drops of vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe gel. Mix everything together and store in an airtight jar. Apply the homemade cream to the wrinkles around your eyes, hands, décolletage, or dry spots. Gently massage into the skin. After just 1 minute, you'll notice that your skin becomes smooth, firm, and visibly nourished. Use this cream every day. The simplest and most natural things provide the most spectacular results. If you cross your arms this way and lean forward slightly, you will stretch your upper back and feel a clear release in that area. Next, grab the door frame. With your arms crossed, lower your head and gently lean back, allowing the middle part of your back to stretch freely. This helps reduce tension and improves ease of movement. Finally, place a pillow under your pelvis and lie face down on a chair or bed. This takes pressure off your lower back and allows it to relax naturally. Do these exercises regularly. Do these exercises using only your feet. I even do them in the bathtub. The first exercise is rotating both feet in one direction and then in the other, 18 times each way. The second exercise is done 36 times. Rub one heel against the other. The third exercise is also repeated 36 times by moving your feet forward and backward. Next, work only with your toes. sliding them forward and backward, again 36 times. Make sure to repeat each movement carefully. Then rub one foot against the other, also 36 times. After that, gently tap one foot against the other for the same number of repetitions. The last exercise is using the big toe of one foot to rub the area on the other foot, right under and next to the big toe. Each of these movements improves circulation, strengthens the small muscles in your feet, and releases tension that often makes walking uncomfortable. With regular practice, your foot joints become more flexible and the whole foot works more efficiently. It's a routine you can do literally anywhere, even while taking a bath. A specialist revealed to me the biggest secret for easing discomfort. Take an onion, peel it, and slice it. Separate the slices into individual rings. They release natural oils that help soothe and relax tense areas faster. Prepare a tall jar and drop the onion rings inside. Now add ginger. Peel it. Cut it into small pieces and put it in the jar. Ginger creates deep warmth and helps loosen tight spots. The next ingredient is lemon. Cut it in half. Its natural acids gently stimulate the skin and improve absorption of the other ingredients. Squeeze the juice straight into the jar. Finally, pour Coca-Cola over everything. Its sugars and acids act as an activator, helping the mixture combine and speeding up the release of warming compounds. Close the jar and let it sit overnight. The next day, soak gauze in the mixture and massage it gently around your knees, wrists, or any area that needs warmth and relief. You'll feel comforting heat and relaxation in moments. It's a simple home remedy that brings amazing comfort. My family returns to it often. Your face can look several years younger. All it takes is enriching your cream with 2 simple ingredients to greatly boost its effectiveness. Add 2 capsules of vitamin E to half a jar of classic blue Nivea cream. Vitamin E is a strong antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, slows down skin aging, and helps reduce wrinkles. It also supports the skin's natural barrier, keeping it smooth and nourished. The next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Mix it thoroughly with the cream. Aloe supports skin regeneration and, thanks to sterols, stimulates the production of collagen and hyaluronic acid. This mixture enhances the cream's action and provides the skin with valuable nutrients. Apply it daily to your face and décolleté and you'll notice results quickly. Used regularly, it becomes an easy addition to your skincare routine that delivers long-term benefits. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive anti-wrinkle products.
Apply cloves to your hands and see what happens. You won't recognize your own hands. Take a large handful of cloves and grind them using a blender or coffee grinder. Put the crushed cloves in a pot and pour 200 milliliters of water over them. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and turn on the stove. Heat the mixture, but you don't have to boil it. Thanks to the tannin content, cloves can slow down the aging process of the skin. They have antioxidant properties that block the development of free radicals. Coconut oil has similar properties. Cloves are effective in fighting fungi and have a strong anti-inflammatory effect. The skin, thanks to cloves, can become smoother, radiant, and free of discoloration. When the mixture is heated, strain it into a container and let it cool. Pour it into a spray bottle. Clove oil reduces irritation and helps maintain a healthy appearance of the skin. When applied to hands, face, or other areas of the skin, it also protects against insects. Taking care of our skin, we simultaneously protect it from ticks, mosquitoes, fleas, or spiders. Just spray the skin on your hands and massage it in. Apply to hands, face, and skin. Using this mixture relaxes and soothes muscle tension. It reduces stress. Additionally, the essential oils in cloves have pain-relieving effects, including relief from migraines and lowering blood pressure. When I run out of my clove and coconut oil bottle, I immediately prepare another one. Everyone asks about the secret of my skin.